all slap. My name is Maina.
My name is Siswa.
My name is My name is Siswa. Today we will tell how to make Oreo milkshake and keep watching, guys.
Ingredients: 2 sachet Oreo, 2 sachet coklat dark, 2 sachet coklat string, 2 sachet Indomilk.
Tools: kismet, spoon, 300 ml of mineral water, glass, and blender. The steps how to make it: first, put the pieces of Oreo into the blender.
Then add 2 sachet of Indomilk,
Add 2 sachet of chocolate cream. Next, pour 300 ml of mineral water. Turn on the blender and whip for 2 minutes or until smooth. Next, pour into the glass. Last, add some chocolate dark and Oreo for the topping. Hello everyone! Let's introduce ourselves. My name is Maina.
My name is Siswa.
My name is Mailani.
My name is Tugas.
Today,
Ingredients: 2 sachet Oreo,
The step. Next, pour 300 ml of mineral water. Kela asa balelo.
to be served. 2, 2, 3. Finally, delicious is